Boys, just look at how detailed this car looks.
Boom.
It's simply beautiful, and look, we can actually remove the front bumper. The Cookies is back with another mod, but this time he added a whole bunch of new cars, and we're gonna check it out and also show you guys how you can download it. But before we get into the video, I'd like to give a shout out to these awesome channel supporters. If you also want a shout out on the next video, then subscribe and comment skibidi. Okay boys, so the first car we have on this mod is a 2025 BMW M3. At first glance, I noticed that this car has restyled headlights, which look very realistic. They're almost identical. Apparently, he added custom car sounds for all the cars that he added, and I haven't heard them, so let's check them out together. I think the car sound of the BMW M3 is pretty good, and I really like the growling. It's very aggressive. If you're a BMW fan, you're definitely going to love this mod. The next car that we have is the Mercedes Maybach GLS 600. Now, if you guys have been following the channel for a while, you'd know that this car was included on the previous mod video that I made a few months ago. So I won't really talk much about it since we've already seen it before. Only difference I noticed is that it now have blacked out taillights, and the car sound have been improved. The following car is the Lamborghini Huracan Stato. For those of you that never heard about it, it's basically a Lamborghini Huracan with extra body kits used for off-roading. And here's a quick fun fact. The word Stato translates from Italian to dirt road. The last two cars that were added on this mod is the Mercedes V-Class and the Mercedes CLS 63 AMG. On both of these cars, the front and rear bumper can be removed. And the Mercedes V-Class have some extra bumpers, side skirts, and even pull bar body kits. Before I show you guys the car sounds of these cars in a download tutorial, I'd first like to talk about today's sponsor. This video is sponsored by Eneba. Eneba is an online marketplace specializing in digital goods. On their website, you can find discounted video games, gift cards, top-ups, and currencies for popular platforms like Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, etc. If this is something that interests you, then click the first link on the video description. Grab yourself a sweet deal because they've got some crazy good prices. Thank you so much, Eneba, for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back into it, boys. By the way, boys, if you've made it this far, comment W so I know who the real channel supporters are. The only new car with the interior on this mod is the Mercedes V-Class. It has white high-quality seats at the back, facing each other just like in real life. And to download this mod, you'll first have to download Telegram, create an account, then join the Cookies Telegram server. The link will be on this video's description. Once you've joined the server, you're going to scroll up until you come across this picture, and the mode files will be attached right below it. This will be the end of the video, boys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, and I'll see you boys on the next one. Peace!